The next transducer is the capacitive transducer. That means the also known as the pressure transducer. In that the pressure transducer, the pressure inductive transducer. A simple arrangement of that the wherein the change in the inductance of that the sensing element is produced by that the pressure change in that the figure shows. And here is the pressure acting is on the movable magnetic core, because the increasing in that the core induction corresponding the acting pressure. The change in the induction can be again made up from that the basic of that the electrical signal, whereas using that the AC bridge. And advantages of that the inductive type of that the resistive type of is no moving contacts are in that the present, thereby the providing continuously resolution of that the change with the no extra fictions load imposed on that the measuring system. In a slightly modify from that the principle is used to obtain the change in the manual induction between that the magnetically coupled coils rather than the self inductions of that the signal coils. When a change in the induced voltage is involved, the transfer something times called that the variable reactance sensor or that the magnetic pickup. A very important example for that the manual type is that the previous lecture we see the LVDT. The synchronous generic name of that the faculty or that the inductive device which can be connected into the various way and that the shaft angle for that the measurement. All these device work in the essentially in the same principle, that is the rotating transformer, and that the asynchronous appears like as the AC motor consisting the rotor and that the starter, whereas the synchronous normally used for that the control system but have the properties that can be used for that the instrumentation also. A synchro can be the angular position of that the transducer working on that the inductive principle, whereas the variable coupling between the primary and that the secondary is that the obtained by the changing of that the relative orientation of that the windings. Internally the most synchro are the similar construction. They have the rotor with the 1 or 3 windings capable revolving inside the fixed starter. There are the two common types of the rotor, the silent pole of the and that the wound rotor. The primary winding in that the single phase winding wound, whereas the rotor made up from that the lamination. The connection of that the rotor winding are made up through that the precision sleeve of that the figure shows. In that the starter has the 3-phase winding with the winding in that the 3-phase displaced by that the 120 degree Celsius. 120 degree. The synchro may be the viewed a variable coupling transformer. A synchro is also called that the cell size. That means the you have the control cell size and that the cell size used for that the CT rotor with respect to the reference voltage. Hence the servo action takes place. The next figure is that the capacitive transducer. It is also that the pressure transducer. A linear change in that the capacitor with the change in the physical position of that the moving element may be the used for that the provide and that the electrical indication of that the element's position. That means the capacitance is given by the C is equal to Ka divided by D, where K is the dielectric constant, A is the total area of that the capacitor surface, D is the distance between two capacitive surface, and C is the resultant capacitance. From this equation, it is seen that the capacitance is increasing if the effective area of that the plate is increased. If the material has a high dielectric constants, the capacitance is reduced if the spacing between the plates is increased. The transducer which make use for that the 3 meters of that the varying capacitance have been the developed. With the proper calibration, each type of that the high degree accuracy and that the stray magnetic and that the capacitive effect may be the cause error if the measurement produced, whereas the which is can be avoided by that the proper shielding. Some the capacitive dielectric temperature sensitive, so that the temperature variation should be the minimized for that the accurate measurement, whereas the a variable plate area transducer is made up from that the fixed plate called as the starter, and the movable plate is called as the rotor, as shown in that the figure. The rotor is the mechanically coupled to that the member under that the test. As the member moves, the rotor change in that the position relative to that the starter, thereby the changing in that the effective area between the plates. A transducer of this type is called that the capacitive transducer, and as shown in that the figure. In that such a device is used for that the detect the amount of the roll in that the aircraft. As the aircraft rolls to that the left, the plates moves that the relative position as shown by that the dashed lines. As shown in that the figure, capacitance is decreasing by that the amount of the proportional degree is that the roll. Similarly to that the in this case of the starter is the securely attached for that the aircraft, and that the moving the for that the moving element, the weight of the rotor keeps that the position fixed with the reference to that the surface of that the earth, but the relative position of that the plates changes in that the factor and determine the capacitance of that the unit. In that the also shows that the transducer that makes of that the use of the variation and that the capacitance resulting from that the change in the spacing between that the plates. The particular transducer is designed to measure that the pressure or that the vacuum. The enclosed and that the aircraft container is a metallic diaphragm which moves to the left when the pressure is applied, and to that the chamber the right when vacuum is applied. This diaphragm is used one plate of the variable capacitor, and it is the distance from that the stationary plate to left, as the determined by that the pressure is applied to that the unit. The determines of that the capacitor of that the two plates. The monitors indicates the pressure equivalent units capacitance by that the measuring of that the capacitor reactance to that the AC source voltage. That means the portion of that the chamber to the left moving plate is isolated from that the side other pressurized gas and that the vapor introduced. Hence the dielectric constant unit does not change for that the different type of the pressurized gas or that the vapor. The capacity is purely function of that the diaphragm position, and this device is that the non-linear. Changes in that the pressure may be the easily detected by that the variation of that the capacity between that the fixed plates, and another plate is the free, for that the moving of the pressure changes. The resulting of the variation follows that the basic capacity formula. That means the C is equal to 0.885 into K in bracket n minus 1 into A divided by T into PF, whereas the A is the area of the one side of the one plate in that the centimeter square, N is the number of the plates, T is the thickness of the dielectric in centimeter, K is the dielectric constant. The capacitive transducer, as in the capacitive microphone, it is simple to construct and that the expensive to that the produce. It is particularly effective for that the HF variation. However, when the varying capacitance is the made of part from that the bridge to that the produce of and the output signals, the condition for that the resistive and the reacting balance generally required that the care to taken that the against unwanted signal pickup in the high impedance circuit, and also compensation for that the temperature changes. As the result, the receiving for that the instrument for that the capacitive sensor usually calls for more advanced and the complex design than that of that the needed for that the other transducer.